And mail time. I got some mail sent over, and let's take a look.
I'm just another Chris.
I just got some mail and figured it was a good time to do mail time. If you guys want to send some mail, send some love letters, send some hate mail. Please send some hate mail, actually. I'd love to get some hate mail. I deserve it. But if you want to send some stuff, there is the information in the description to the P.O. Box. And if you do, thank you so much. I really appreciate everybody. I keep everything too. I got a binder full of the letters and other things that people have sent already. So keep it coming. Really appreciate you. With that said, though, the first thing up is something I purchased for myself. The reason I want to talk about it, though, is because it ties into something that was sent to me, and I wanted to talk about it. First thing up is the Sprocket Rocket. Yes, I purchased this. Not sponsored by Lomography. They don't sponsor me. No one sponsors me yet. But I love Lomography, and really want to get into shooting 35 and 120 and other types of film outside of instant photography. Not quitting instant photography, oh no, just adding to it. Because I originally started this channel doing instant photography and film, but film kind of just went away because instant photography took off on this channel, so I focused on that. So this year I made a goal to shoot more 35 and 120. And so I picked this up because I always was intrigued and thought it was pretty cool. Found it for a pretty dang good deal. I actually have another video on this, kind of like an overview video before I head out and shoot it because I haven't shot with it yet. So you'll be seeing this a couple more times coming. But the reason I wanted to show this off was because it ties into the main package that was just sent over. This comes courtesy of Molly from the Eclectic Chrome YouTube channel. Yeah. Hold off on that for a second and take a look at what has been sent over. Man, she's so generous. She's on an upcoming episode of the podcast. She's a film photographer, has a YouTube channel, really all around great person. And in fact, we're going to be hanging out at PolaCon this year. More on that in the future. Stay tuned. Video coming on that. But when we were talking during the podcast, I was telling her all about how I'm getting more into film photography. So she went ahead and sent me a little birthday present. And speaking of Lomography, she sent over Lomography Purple 120 film. But that's not all. She sent over Lomography Purple film. How cool is that? I've always wanted to shoot this stuff, and now I can, and I'm really excited. I have one, technically two, but mostly just one 120 camera, and that's the Yashica D. Did a video on that in the early days. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. I'll be doing an updated video on it this year too, because I'm going to be shooting that in this. Nope. I'm going to be shooting this in that, and wow, really can't wait to do that. But man, I got this 35mm purple. I don't know. This is going to be a struggle. What do I shoot this in? Do I shoot it in the Sprocket Rocket? That'd actually be kind of cool. That would be kind of cool. But I also have the Nikkermat 35, which is my main kind of shooter. So that's going to be an interesting struggle to figure out what to shoot it in. I mean, technically I could shoot like 10 photos on this, or maybe rewind it, put it in another camera, and then just advance it 10 times. Well, maybe that would work. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. And I've also always wanted to shoot this stuff. She's literally sent me a box full of stuff I've always wanted to shoot. This is pre-exposed effects film. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, I can't freaking wait to shoot that. And another thing I've always wanted to shoot too, and that is CineStill. Yeah, baby. This is Cinema Film 120. I shoot this in my TLR. Oh, this is really cool. And it is, I think it's daylight. Yeah, 400D. Really cool. Oh my gosh. I'll probably gonna shoot most of this on the trip to PolaCon, to be honest. And we got another 120 roll. I'll be honest, I don't know what this is. I think it's cinema film. I think it might be a thing. I don't know. I'm a noob when it comes to this stuff, but either way, I'm really excited. And it's 120. Really cool. We got the little card here. She says, hey, hope you enjoy the film. I snuck in some 120 Cine and CineStill, although it's close to expiring. Should be fine though. That's what she said. The Lomo Purple is loads of fun. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Molly. I appreciate you. P.S. Looking forward to March. Reference to us going to PolaCon. I'm very excited for that. P.P.S. Please shoot at least in the next few years and develop by 10. Yeah. Okay, so that's a reference to her giving me crap because I've shot and loaded film, or excuse me, I've loaded and shot film that's been sitting in my cameras for like a year. And so she's giving me crap for it. But no, this is going to be really cool. We've even talked about collabing on her teach me how to develop my own film while we're at Policon. So that'll be pretty cool. Hopefully we can make that work out. But at the very least, you'll see her on the upcoming episode of the podcast. If it's not already out by now, I don't know when this video is going out. Maybe I'll do it the day before it goes out. So go check it out tomorrow if it's not already out. There'll be a link in the description to go watch it if it's out. But that's just a quick mail time. Thank you so much to Molly for sending this over. I can't wait. Go check her YouTube channel out. It's amazing. Truly fantastic YouTube channel. Film photography, great source of information. There'll be a link to Molly's channel in the description below. Go check out Eclectic Chrome. That's all I got for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Now, get out there, make some art.